Hello boys and girls, this is Mrs. Florzak, and today's snippet is about alignment. Now alignment is where you want your text to be in your document. Sometimes we need to put our titles in the center. Sometimes things are left aligned. They start over here on the left side of the margin. So I'm going to show you how to change alignment. So let's say I want to first find where the alignment tools are. In this case, I'm going to look in more, but you might see these visible without clicking more. Here, if you hover over it, says left align, and it also shows you Control Shift plus L. That means if you hold the Control key down, push the Shift key down, and then also push the L. Don't try to do it all at once because it's just crazy that way. But hold the Control down, then as you're still holding the Control key, then hold the Shift down, and then just poke at the L once, and it should do the same thing. Okay, let's look over here. Now just look at what the icon looks like. It looks like everything is to the left. Everything starts and goes down on the left. Just like in a story, let's say. Over here, if I hover over this, it's the center icon. The center alignment tool means if you wanted to put your title in the middle of the document, never, ever, ever come here and space to where you think is the center. That's the wrong way to use the tool. You have to go and click the center alignment tool to watch. And when I click it, boop, it goes right there in the middle. All right. If I go and click this one, you know what's going to happen. It's going to go to the left. Watch. And this one, right align, this is a no-brainer, right? It's going to go all the way to the right. And this one is called the justify. See how the lines look, how everything is like perfectly even from left to right. So I'm going to demonstrate so that you kind of understand what's going on here. All right, so let's look at, I'm going to type John Doe's name, John Doe. Okay, if I click here, I see that this is highlighted. I know that this text is left aligned. I'm going to click enter twice, and I'm going to click the center icon and type John Doe there because he's in the center of my document. I'm going to hit the enter key again. See what happens when I hit the enter key? Once you set the alignment, it's going to continue with that alignment. Now, in this case, I want to go and use the right alignment. Now watch what happens. John Doe. That looks kind of cool the way that types out, right? It just goes from the right and it goes out this way. I'm going to hit enter. Watch what happens when I hit enter. Do you see how it's still right aligned? I don't want it right aligned anymore. In this case, I'm going to do justify. And I want to show you what justify looks like so you're aware of this. So I'm going to do the peace pledge. I promise to respect myself and all others. I promise to be kind in what I say and in what I do. I promise to do my part to help each student feel accepted and safe from any harm at St. Stanislas Kostka School. Now take a look at this. Look how even everything is here. It's not choppy like you might see in some other documents. It's all even. The way that works is you'll see in between there's extra spaces to make it like that. Okay, it's not with one space after each word. You might see a couple, but the purpose here is to make sure that it's all lined up on the left side of the margin and the right margin. Okay, so here's the left align. If you click on it, you'll even see how the icon is highlighted. If I click on this, you know this will show up. All right, and here's right align, and here's justify. So that was our little snippet on alignment. I hope that helps, and Have a good time.